Hey everyone, welcome to Skippy Tube channel. Today I want to explain about the battery connector. It's the old phone and I explain about the 4 pins. We know circuit board for working needs a 2 important line, positive and negative. We have 2 more pins in here. One of them BSI plus battery detection. BSI beside battery system indicator. That is send all information from battery to the phone, like the battery percentage or capacity. And this line only for old phone or normal phones. On the smartphone, this line is removed. But how to turn on the phone, this phone by DC power supply? I want to tell you about this. With this line, the phone detects the battery is connected or not. Now I'll show you. If you want like this phone, this is a Nokia. We want to turn on this phone by DC power supply. If only connect the red cable to the positive and connect the negative to negative. When you press the power button, phone is not turned on because phone doesn't detect the battery. We need connect the negative cable for both pin to detect the battery. This time when you press the power button, phone is turned on. And if something happen for this line, because I said phone doesn't detect the battery, phone is not turned on, you need to check this line. And I tell you about the last pin. Last pin beside B temp. This is beside battery temperature. This control the battery temperature. If it's when phone is start charging, if something happen, battery is too much heating or temperature going up, they send the signal to the phone and chipset stop the charging. That's it. Now I want to tell you how to find the pins by multimeter. Okay guys, we want find the pins by multimeter. The first and easy direction is negative. Turn on the multimeter and bring the continuity beeper or beep test. This is the symbol. Now, how to find the earth before it's connected. This you see, this here is have a metal in there. This here shield, this shield. This is the SIM card slot and this memory card slot. We put the one cable in there and check all shield which one is connected together. If it's fine, if it's hear the beep, we know this shield's connected to the earth or ground. This is not connected, but this 3 shield or metal is connected together. That means this all 3 shield is connected directly to the earth or ground. Now we know we can check by this shield. Put the one, which one is easy for you, put the cable in there and by another cable connected to the pins. If it's hear the beep, we know that pin is negative. Nothing, and nothing. This pin is negative. Now how to find the positive direction. For positive direction, we need to put the multimeter on the diode test. Diode test range for positive direction between the 300 to 600, but iPad tablets showing between the range between the 300 to less than 700. Now in this video I tell you about the phone. Now we know this is the negative. Now we want to find the positive side. Put on the diode test and start to test this one. Now we know this shield is connected to the earth or ground. But for diode test, need be reverse the cable. Need be known. This red cable is positive, connected to the earth or ground, and by black or negative cable connected to the pins or component for when you want to check the phone by diode test. Okay, now put in there, show me 1200. That pin is the negative, we know. But if you want to check the connection by diode test, if you see the 000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's no, this pin or this component directly connected to here. Now we know this is the negative because we sure this is connected to the earth, and this pin show me the 000, 1 or 2, 2, 5. Now goes the another pin 1292 now, and the last pin 402. This is the diode test range for positive direction. We know this is the positive, and next then positive direction, we know this pin is BSI, and if his phone is old or normal phone, we know plus battery detection. And last pin 100%, we know B temp. But if his phone is have a 3 pins like this, these 3 pins, BSI plus battery detection and plus B temp, all is together like this one. We want to find the pins by multimeter. The first bring to the continuity beeper or beep test. The first need to find the earth. If it's two different ways is connected together and hear the beep, that means this shield and that one is connected to the earth, and this is the earth or ground. Now check the pin, which one. You know this is the negative. Now we want to find the positive side. Bring to the diode test, red cable or positive connected to the ground or earth, and now check it. But diode test, you see this is direction show me the 001. That's the middle show me 2700, and the last pin showing the 330. This is the diode test range for positive direction like this. That's it. I think this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you next video.